guys, welcome back to my channel. This week I am going to follow the kind of little series that I've been going with on this month of April, and I'm doing a spring inspired makeup look. Last week I did a spring inspired hairstyle looks where I showed you guys 3 different hairstyles. If you didn't see that video, I'll go ahead and link it somewhere down below in the description or up here on the screen so you guys can check that out. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna put my hair back and I'm just gonna use this little guy here just to get the hair out of my face. Okay, cool. And apparently my body thinks that it's going through puberty because I've got like this little guy going on. I don't know. So we're just gonna work as best as we can around that. So I have a clean face, so first thing is first, you always want to make sure that you hydrate. And you guys know, if you didn't see my last drugstore get ready with me, this stuff is the best. It is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream, and I swear by it still. It's awesome. Even though it is springtime here, I live in Philly. Today it was like low 40s, but I'm really excited because this Saturday it's supposed to be like 75, so yay. Super excited for some warmer weather. And I literally just like cake this on, guys. So for foundation, I'm actually going to be using one of my old favorites. It's this L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour long last matte foundation. It is in the color Natural Buff, so it's number 103. It's actually really good foundation. It's also a drugstore. If you guys can't tell, I love to like get the best bang for my buck when it comes to makeup, because yes, you want stuff that's good for your skin and that isn't gonna cost you a ton of money, because at the end of the day it like comes off your face anyway, you know. So this is a really good one. I kind of stopped using this because it kind of dried my face out, because it's kind of transitioning back into summer. I tend to get a little bit oily, so this is a good one because since in the winter it kind of dries me out, this works for the spring and summer whenever I get a little sweaty and not cute. So I'm going to use my little cosmetic wedge to go ahead and blend that in. Now that all of our foundation is blended into our face, I'm going to go ahead and use my concealer now, which is also the LA Pro Girl concealer in creamy beige, which is the one that I used in my last video. Once again, I'll go ahead and link that for you guys down below or up on the screen. So we're going to go ahead and apply this on our nose and in a little triangle shape. And then a little bit down the middle. Good. And take the other side of our beauty blender and just blend that in. Now we're just going to go ahead and set that with our powder. I'm using the NYX HD setting powder in color Banana. Okay, now that that is done, we're gonna go ahead and do our contour. And for this, I like to use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And as you can see, I'm running kind of low on this, so I need to go get some more. Now we're gonna go ahead and do our cheekbones. See, I can just kind of tap off the excess. You don't want to get too much on your face. And remember, guys, that wherever you put your brush the first time, that is the darkest it is going to be. So make sure you don't put your brush right here. You want to do it kind of like towards the edge of your hairline and just kind of lightly dust. Okay, so now that we set our foundation with our contour, I'm going to go ahead and use this. It is the KARITY Matte Eyeshadow. And this is like a really pretty palette, you guys. I actually bought this whenever I did like a sugar skull makeup for Halloween, and it's super pigmented and it's really pretty colors. These are kind of like on the brighter side, but you do have some that are a little bit more softer, and these are the ones that I'm going to be using here. So I am going to take this lighter little peach color, and I believe this one is called Coquette. So take some of that, dust it off, and we're just gonna put this on the outer part of our brow bone. Okay, and now I'm going to take this pretty light pink color here. This is the color Whisper. So I'm going to take the flat side of my brush and I'm just going to apply this on my lid. I'm going to use this one to kind of blend that color. And for that, I'm going to use this kind of tan color here, which is the Safe Word color. Okay, now that we finished blending our crease color, we are going to go ahead and use that same color that we used for our crease just to line the bottom lashes, just to kind of give it like a little bit of a soft smoky eye. So I'm going to use that same color. I'm just going to use the other end of my brush, a little bit of a flat line side, and just kind of use it to go right along my waterline. We did our bottom kind of smoky eye. We are going to go ahead and line our top lashes with this liquid felt tip liner, which is Fierce Flicks by Ciate, London. I don't know, but I'll link them down below. Okay, so I'm gonna have to do my eyeliner off camera because I just cannot get it today on camera. So I'll be right back, guys. So finally I managed to do my eyeliner. Today is one of those days where it was not happening. But now that we've moved on from that, we're gonna go ahead and do our brows. And for that, I'm using the Trestique brow crayon. Okay, so now that we have finished our eyebrows, I'm going to go ahead and do my lashes. So I'm gonna curl them a little bit because I'm not gonna do false lashes for this look, because I do want it to be a springtime kind of day look. So if I put on lashes, it was a little too extra glam. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do the lash curler, and I'm going to be using the Ciate Wonderwand mascara. I'm gonna use a little bit of this E.L.F highlighting palette, and I'm gonna be using this color right here. You can never have too much highlight, you guys. Just really... So to finish off this look, we are going to use NYX's Butter Gloss in the color Creme Brulee, and it's a really pretty soft pink, and it's just going to really complement the rest of our look. So here it is, guys. Here is the final springtime day look, and I hope you like it. It's a little glam, but it's something that you can easily take from daytime to nighttime if you just want to do a little bit of a black liner at the bottom where we did the smoky eyeshadow. If you want to throw on a pair of false lashes just to give it a little extra more drama, you can totally do that, and you can always do it up a little bit more with the highlighter. So go ahead and leave me a comment down below telling me what you think of this look, and if it's something that you would try, please tag me in any pictures that you take on social media because I would love to check out this look for you. And if you are part of the family already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate you guys watching these videos, and our little growing family here on YouTube is getting bigger, and we just hit over 20 subscribers, and I'm really excited about it. I know that's not a huge number, but it does mean a lot to me, you guys. So if you're not part of our family, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can go ahead and join it, because I do upload videos every Thursday, and hit that little notification bell right next to the subscribe button so you know when I post on Thursdays, so you're sure not to miss any of them. And I will see you guys next week. Bye.